In 2023, we tried to hike the entire John Muir Trail, and we didn't finish. It was the highest snow year on record. Fields of 2 to 3 foot sun cups turned into a continuous slog, mile after mile, each step sliding as the snow warmed. And as the snow started melting, the water crossings were getting more and more dangerous, sometimes impassable. My dad was turning 70 on that trip, but there is no adventure without an attempt, and we had the Happy Isles golden ticket that year. We made it as far as Mammoth Lakes before deciding it was getting too dangerous to continue, so we came off trail. 2 years later, we came back to finish this journey. This time we're starting more than 200 miles south at Cottonwood Lakes and hiking north. Dad is 72 now, and this time my wife Andi is here too. Rounding out our group is our friend Eve. But before any hike begins, there's one critical mission.
Be very, very quiet. We're in search of coffee.
It's an elusive creature at times.
Because we're up here in Truckee at North Star, staying at a friend's timeshare. Thank you so much, Peter. It's been wonderful. But we woke up and there's not a single coffee bean in the place. So while the gals continue sleeping, we're going shopping.
Well, I did lie a little bit. There are coffee beans.
Oh.
Decaf.
Oh.
That doesn't work.
That might be a jailable offense.
In 2023, we started in Yosemite and made it to Mammoth. This time we're walking north toward the place where that trip ended. Made it to Red's Meadows. This isn't about conquering anything. It's about finishing the trail that didn't get finished. The weather forecast and the impending 5 days of showers that we are basically trying to outrun has really put a damper on things.
It's like Schitt's Creek, but less fun.
Here we have Eve modeling the latest in pack coverage rain gear. Yay, sun!